So today, we're going to talk about something super popular and effective. Charcoal peel-off masks. And not just that, we'll also look into an instant skin whitening peel-off mask, which can really help brighten your complexions. Now, moving on, one of my personal favorites, a coffee peel-off mask. Yes, a coffee peel-off mask that not only smells amazing, but actually gives visible results. Alright, so let's get started and make this simple yet powerful skin whitening and brightening coffee peel-off mask at home. Okay, so first we'll take 1 teaspoon of coffee. This is the main ingredient and works wonders for dull skin. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder. This helps in making the peel-off base and also tightens the skin a bit. Now trust me, this is honestly one of the best peel-off face masks you can make at home, especially if you want a spa-like treatment without spending a lot. Once you've added the dry ingredients, go ahead and add some water and give it a good mix. Make sure everything blends smoothly. After that, we're going to place this mixture in a bowl of boiling water, or you can double boil it. Let it warm up for around 10 minutes. By the way, did you know that coffee is excellent for skin whitening? It's actually gone viral recently because of how well it works. So as it heats, make sure the gelatin is completely dissolved. That's really important for the smooth application. And here's a bonus. This kind of mask can even help with removing facial hair. How cool is that? Once it's fully mixed and heated, your mask is ready to go. But don't rush check the temperature before applying it to your face. You don't want to burn your skin, right? You should always apply it while it's still warm and not hardened. That way it spreads nicely. So how exactly should we apply it? Well, first things first, make sure to wash your face properly to remove any dirt or oil. Then, for even better results, go ahead and steam your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. This opens up the pores and helps the mask work more effectively. Now, apply the mixture evenly across your face and let it dry. After the first layer dries a bit, go ahead and apply a second layer. This will make peeling easier. Once it's completely dry, just peel it off gently. Trust me, it's super satisfying. You'll notice a visible difference after just the first use. Your skin will feel smoother, brighter, and fresher. Once you're done peeling, take an ice cube wrapped in a thin cloth and lightly massage your face. This helps close the pores and soothes the skin. After that, apply some facial oil and give your skin a good massage. This adds back some moisture and keeps your skin soft. This coffee peel-off mask is actually a trending remedy, especially when it comes to removing blackheads naturally. Now, let's move on to our second remedy. This one's all about the charcoal peel-off mask, which is amazing for deep cleaning your pores. Let's begin by making this powerful charcoal peel-off mask at home. The cool thing about charcoal is that it draws out dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. So when the mask is peeled off, it takes all the gunk with it. To start, add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder to your bowl. Then add 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder, just like before. After that, pour in some water and mix everything well until you get a nice smooth paste. Now again, place this bowl over boiling water and warm it for around 10 minutes. Make sure the gelatin dissolves completely, just like we did in the coffee mask. Once everything is mixed nicely, your charcoal peel-off mask is ready. Before applying, always check the temperature to avoid any burns. Remember, the trick is to apply it before it gets too thick or starts to harden. Now let's quickly go over how to apply it. First, wash your face properly. Then, again, steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes to open up the pores. Apply the mixture evenly across your face and let it sit for a few minutes. Once it begins to dry, apply a second layer on top. Let it dry completely, and once it feels tight and firm, peel it off gently. Right after the first use, you'll notice your skin looks cleaner, tighter, and brighter. It's really effective. Once you're done, apply some facial oil and gently massage your face to restore moisture. Now, if you have extra sensitive skin, here's a tip. Instead of facial oil, use aloe vera gel and massage it in. It feels incredibly soothing and calming on the skin. And hey, if you love DIYs, you can also try other peel-off masks at home, like a green tea peel-off mask. Just mix 1 teaspoon of green tea with 2 teaspoons of gelatin and follow the same process. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DIY skincare tips and remedies. See you in the next one.